Hey guys, so I had to remove the negative battery terminal from my car, and because I was swapping out the steering wheel, and so when I connected back the negative battery terminal, this red security light kept blinking, and my hazard lights kept flashing whenever I would open the door or connect back the battery terminal. And the way I solved it, oh, and by the way, major problem, the car would not start. It would not start. And what I did was that I reached under everything, under this metal panel right here, which is right under. See. So you look for this bracket here, and then you remove this one right here. This one right here. You remove it. It's gonna say crash alarm. See? You want this part right here. Just take it off. Take it off and connect it. Just take it off. Put in your battery. Put in your battery terminal and everything. And most likely it'll start. That's what I did. And then it started. That's what I did. So just remove this. And then try the whole process all over again. Turn it on. And I had ended up disconnecting my battery again. Because I had to remove the steering wheel because it was making squeaky noise and I had to apply some lube in the back. So when I reconnected my negative battery terminal, it was doing the same. Also, another issue, if this is blinking and your hazard lights might not be blinking, the driver door will not, the window won't go up. From the driver's side window, the driver's side window won't go up. I believe it's because your car is reading as though it's been hit or something like that. And what I had done was I went to the junkyard and got this part because I threw the other one away because I thought it didn't work. But before I had connected this back, what I did was I connected the rear battery terminal. The negative battery terminal. But before I had actually connected it, I had my key inside all the way before I crank it. And then I put in the negative battery terminal. So before you disconnect the thing, try just inserting your key and twisting it all the way before ignition. And then connect your negative battery terminal. Try that first. If not, then go ahead with what I told you, removing this car alarm. I believe that there are other models of the E36 that do not have this in the harness here. And honestly, I'm sorry, but I don't know where it is, because when I went to the junkyard, I was looking around at other E36 models, and I didn't find them until I finally found one that actually had this inside this mount here. So you might want to do some research on your car, see where it is if you can't find it. Well, hopefully you guys could solve that issue with your car. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and post a comment.